In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to buy directly on Taobao and 1688 successfully, 2025. First, install the Taobao and 1688 apps on your phone. Register using your mobile number, international numbers usually work, and complete the verification code they send you. Log in and you're set. A handy tip here, one account often works across both Taobao and 1688, which makes switching between them much easier. Next, set up Alipay, because without it you won't be able to pay. Download the Alipay app and log in with the same phone number. Complete the basic verification the app asks for, then add a Visa or Mastercard, or top up your Alipay balance. Make sure the name and billing details match your card to avoid declines, and if your bank blocks the charge, enable international online transactions. Because most sellers ship only within China, you'll need a China warehouse address from a freight forwarder or agent. Popular options include Superbuy, CSS Buy, Bastao, Wegobuy, and PandaBuy. Create an account with your chosen forwarder and copy the exact warehouse details they give you: receiver name, phone, and full address in Chinese. Some services include an ID in the name field. Keep that intact so your package is correctly matched. Add that warehouse address to both Taobao and 1688. Go to My Account, then Settings, open Shipping Address, paste the warehouse info, and save it. Setting it as your default helps prevent mistakes at checkout. Now find products the smart way. Use Chinese keywords for better results, or use the image search to match items from photos. Always check seller ratings, the number of sales, and real buyer photos to gauge quality. On 1688, watch for the minimum order quantity, since many listings cater to wholesale buyers. If language is a barrier, the in-app translation or your phone's translation feature can help. Before you buy, chat with the seller using Lianxi Maijia or Wang Wang. Ask about stock availability, estimated shipping time to the warehouse, price breaks on 1688, and whether they can do custom logos or packaging. Polite, clear messages often get faster replies and better quotes, and you can request real product photos for assurance. When you're ready, select your size, color, and quantity, choose the China warehouse address, proceed to checkout, and pay via Alipay. You can track domestic shipping under My